Oh, hey guys, how are you doing? So today I thought I would share a pretty simple tip, which I think some people know and some people don't know. So if there is a video file that you want to watch, which you can't currently watch because you don't have the codec, for example, this is a very old file. This file doesn't actually play in any of the standard Windows players. However, there is one player which can basically run anything you can imagine, and that's the VLC Media Player. So I thought I would go through how to install it briefly. But as you guys can see, if I open up the movie with it, I can play it to my heart's content. And again, this goes for nearly every single imaginable video. Also, some videos occasionally say that they require a codec, and some codecs, well, they require payment, but VLC can pretty much open anything without any kind of payment, so it's really worth having. So installation's actually quite easy. Literally go to your favorite search engine and type in VLC, and we're going to go for Video LAN here, which seems to be the official website which brings this up. And again, you have the option to download, and again, it's got general Windows 64-bit, all kinds of options. It's even got Windows with an ARM processor. So yeah, just choose your favorite OS. General Windows is just fine. So you just click and download and basically click on the icon when it's ready to be installed, and you'll see this pop up. So then you can just install it. Now mine currently is installed, and I'm not going to really bother reinstalling it. But yeah, you can basically choose which files you want to associate with VLC in select the type to install here. And again, you've got your various options here. So again, I would just leave it at the default or change it if you want to. And then, like I say, all you really have to do is, if it's not your default player, just right click on the option menu here, go open with, and VLC Media Player. I guess that's the video, guys. Pretty simple, right? But literally, this has saved me so much time sometimes because this thing plays almost anything. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, let me know. And yeah, have a great day. And hopefully, good luck with your video.